Hello, this is Scout Troop 255, April 27th, 2008. We're gonna blow up a fridge. Let's find out. Right now my Scoutmaster's like priming the fridge, so let's go see some of the other Scouts.
I'm walking away right now. Hey! Can it creep in? We should put Pony and Dead Cat on this.
Hola, Martin!
Hola!
You're being recorded.
Okay,
Hello.
don't videotape me!
I like videotaping you. You laugh. You make people laugh. This is Tristan. Hi, Tristan. This is Avery. He's the munchkin that's being chased. That's Martin in the plaid coat. This is Johnny.
Well, it's just
Hey, Isaac, over here!
guys, we're gonna go.
That's Isaac over there.
Yeah,
He's kind of far away at the moment. And I'm Brian.
That's Isaac over there.
Yeah, I already introduced them. So, we shall wait.
And we found a...
This is my Scoutmaster's sweet backyard. Like it? Yeah, it's awesome. It's like a forest with a pasture in the back. Awesomeness! This is my Scoutmaster's strange skull thing. It's awkward. Hello, Munchkin. This is the backside of Greg. Yes, he does not like looking at the camera. We're getting closer. See his reaction. Doo doo doo. That's Johnny again. I don't think he's gonna turn around. So, the boom is gonna happen soon, and when it does, it's gonna be awesome.
It's gonna make big boom.
No, big boom. Unless it's a dud. If it's a dud, then that'll suck. So, I turn off the camera, and then we wait. This is our target of choice. Awesome. This is it. What we've been waiting for.
Supposed to.
Everybody videotaping?
Yes, I'm videotaping.
Good.
It's a pretty big boom.
I know, it's great.
Hey,
Boom!
who wasn't paying attention?
Boom! Awesomeness!
It blew the door open.
Is that it?
More sponge powder! Yeah, that was a little...
Bummer. Let's go check it out.
Actually, that was more than
This is my souvenir. Like it? It's from the fridge. Oh yeah. Boom. So this was Scout Troop 255 on April 27th, 2008. GM.
here that actually